Unboxing of the Omnipod 5 automated delivery system. I'm very excited that I was able to get my insurance to approve. Oh, wow. So we have the start guide, 3 simple steps, and then we have the welcome to Omnipod sign, and then of course we have the PDM. It's really nice. It's very slick. It's pretty nice and handy. I like it. And then we have a sample kit. And then we have a quick start guide, which is really nice. Pod Pals, that's really cool. The adhesive. And then inside we have 2 packs of pods that pretty much should last a month. So that's awesome that they do give an extra month supply. And then we have the chargers and the plugs. So it's pretty good. Oh, and then that's a nice case. So that's really cool. And then under, I think that's it. Perfect. Well, thank you guys for joining, and more to come on my experience with the Omnipod.